That's alright.
Dumper tonight.
Owen, where are you going to sleep tonight?
I think this half meant to be in the fire.
Right, so you lift me up there.
Oh.
Jason!
What an idiot.
No, what you want is a...
Go track that in there.
Andrew, if you want to warm up, we'll put a giant spit on there for you.
I didn't even know what 5 flashes red.
Oh, we should have bought marshmallows.
Oh yeah.
Should have giant sticks with marshmallows. That is actually a monster of a bonfire. Second biggest one I've been to, the other one was like twice the height.
Back out.
Andy, go and run and jump in it, then run out. Freedom, bitches! Ah, it's hot!
Covered in oil on fire. So we just flicked it and it'll be right back in the nut.
Bloody hell. You can feel the heat of that already.
Oh, don't fall.
Oh, he goes, someone just flicked us in my nuts and he stood back out. Bang.
Ryan, should have brought some marshmallows up, shouldn't we?
This is where you just see stuff random. Where's my back?
Andy! Andy! Yes!
He didn't wait, I have to lean over.
Come on.
Have a shit while you're there.
Getting warm. Jam.
Bad dog's in there.
Mama, come out!
Stay there.
Right, we should have all bought our roast dinners up.
Mary Poppins
We should have waited, kept our roast dinners, put them in there. Sorry.
Put someone on there.
Blackberry recording shit, isn't it?
Mary Poppins comes out and her umbrella lands in it.
I do have that one.
Guys, we're like holding Matt Rivers
Right,
back.
that's out of battery.
Yeah. Just when I come up here, it went back too low and I was like, fuck.
Class oil. The oil for the tractor.
Jason, go and stand in front of the acid
I
side.
love doing that.
Hey, we chuck some fucking oil on that.
Vietnamese flamethrower set that up really well.
I left my bike somewhere. Wouldn't it be funny if my bike was to take flicking it up?
Shelley, you do know Sam...
Right there.
I hope Sam's insured.
It's illegal smoke.
No, I really do hope he's insured.
Yeah, right.
We should have brought up a crack pipe, he wouldn't need a light, just sit there.
Gemma. If he's not insured, then he's fucked. It'd be good if we could put one there, wouldn't it? That side's fucked. Not really. Lucky we had the good side. Would have been a bad thing.
You had the wind, you didn't have the good side.
All goes to the left. Oh, somebody has to put a car. Oh, somebody put a car like there. Oh, I came up with Sam's moped and chucked it in.
Whee! Just like bits of tyre.
Shall I
brake
look at my bike?
disc.
I'll actually do it.
Shelley, is Sam insured?
I said I should shut my bike.
Oh dear. Sorry. Look at the smoke coming off of it though. Look at that.
I've got to do it. Oh no! My battery's in the
Anybody want to put a pig on that?
Oh, that was good.
That's the highlight of your day.
My battery.
This is the highlight of your life. Jace, turn around. Yes, good man. Sam!
You have to email it to me.
Yeah, I
My
will.
phone just died.
Really?
That was what? Oh no.
5 minutes.
Yeah, that's why I charged mine when I got home, so I knew it was going to go. Nathan!
It is.
Yes.
My phone is charging. At home charging.
I'm not Chloe.
I got a lovely view of your head, Jace. Let's try that. There you go. Okay, let's try that.
Dry ground. Look at the top.
Closest to here. Oh shit. It is moving.
I hope your car's insured.
Covered, isn't it?
I hope your car's insured.
this way.
Yeah, it's falling.
Oh, there we go. Short people. Sorry.
Bring those in.
Ah. Watch it through there. 4-minute video. Burn, baby, burn. We should have a giant spit and a couple of pigs on it.
I like it. It's like just fire that side.
That's going to roll down this hill.
Yeah, and we'll do.
Jace, I suggest we move because that's going to fall when it's on fire and roll.
Yeah, that's gonna fall.
Jace, bring it on!
Oh shit.
Timber! Throw my chewing gum on there.
Jump in it.
Go on, Sam, petrol bomb.
camera was a bit better.
My camera quality is
Can you
terrible.
risk your life to go set on fire to that bit with your little lighter?
I hope Sam's like insured.
I was wondering where my stick went, Owen. No, give it here.
Mine.
Let's have a look.
Oh, it's the only stick Owen will ever
Let's have a
see.
look. Touche, touche. Yeah, from your head to the floor.
You need to set that bit.
Oh, feel that.
Yeah, you can.
Let's get naked and go in. Actually, you get a good picture from over there.
I thought you don't seem to be still in the garden with your mother. You make a start out there,
That's next year's project. There's another one up there.
That's what she wants, doesn't she?
We're at the top. There's a works to it, isn't it? Yeah. Yeah. Definitely one there. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, you think so, wouldn't it?
Whoa, that's warm. You want a sheet linking that to your central heating, save you some money.
Yeah.
Oh, your edge is on fire.
I thought there would be.
I was saying you should get a sheet and link it up to central heating.
Run me up behind you and nearly went half over.
Yeah, I know, I just saw you.
The foot.
I'm gonna sit down because I'm lazy.
Actually, here.
Jace, you want to link it up to your central heating? Yeah, very. It's nice because the wind's blowing it round. So you feel cold and all of a sudden you get a warm burst.
You must be
I don't know, jump in the fire.
I should try.
You must be cold-blooded because it is freezing.
You're just the worst.
Should I jump in the fire?
Go on then.
Should I?
Go on then.
No.
There's a fire over there.
Yeah?
So much food.
I want more than a fiver.
Fireworks and some marshmallows and no disrespect.
I was saying get a giant thing and put, what do you call it, giant spit and put a couple of pigs on it.
4 on the way.
That'd be lush, wouldn't it? Just sit there, have a pig for every 40 people.
One pig for every 4 people, 1 pig for every bus.
No, I only get about 4 pigs over that because it's the size of the spit, wouldn't it?
A pig for every.
I reckon that hedge is going to catch on fire, and if it does, I'm laughing. I love the way he puts it right at the top of the field. He couldn't have done it safely in the middle of the field, though, could he? Whoa, that's nice.
Well, we need more.
I say, link it up to your central heating, be fine, wouldn't it? Whoa, look at the lag it's causing on my camera. Look, every time it goes hot, look at that.
Yeah, it does that on mine. It's too hot.
I've got an infrared camera, you wouldn't see anything, it would just time out. I want to get one of those professional ones.
It would just blind you.
Where's the marshmallows then?
We need some fireworks and marshmallows.
Oh,
Some-
just chuck like a load of fireworks.
Illegal smuggled Japanese fireworks.
Yeah, that is an open fire.
Yeah. Oh,
We need now some marshmallows.
I fall over, you
We need
see.
now some marshmallows.
Yeah.
Spit roast.
Yeah, all you want to do, giant spit, put a couple pigs on it.
It's warm over here now, a bit.
Need some whistling.
It'd be warmer over the other side.
To the ten and look. Oh, not like he's whistling. Female, Matt Rivers.
Oh, Matt Rivers is in there, is he?
Oh, it's Matt Rivers now.
No, that's his natural camouflage.
That's just not
If you stood on that.
No, that's Shana. That's why her hair's black, 'cause they're burning it.
Oh, that's so funny seeing the hair black. Oh my god.
I know, she looks so rough.
Oh, that's so warm.
Jordan did that. What? Died, trying to
Yeah.
stay black.
That is so warm.
Oh, I'm enjoying this.
Ah, fuck, I'm sitting on a stinger. Ah. Let's go around the other side, it'd be warmer.
Yeah, good idea.